All right, time for a little update. Let's see. Got a little bit of door ice. Not really worried about that. This is what we are looking like up in here. Up in here. Looks good. So I wasn't going to, but I think we're going to add another layer. Can I do it all? The ice stuck. Keep on looking at the freezer. I'm sorry. That's the rest don't want to go in. Okay. And this is where the humidifier been sitting lately. Because we took the big one out and we put the small one back in. And it's been doing lovely. It started closing up the top. Yes, chomp. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it. I want to eat it. I'm going to leave it. And I'm just trying to make sure we're spreading it and it's getting stuck to my hand. Like I said, that's good. Because that shows that the ice is nice and dry. Alright, so we added it back in. I put it back on its high setting. And I should let y'all see me put it in because it like just sunk into the frost down here. It's so soft. I think that's why I'm adding more crunchiness because I'm just afraid I'm not going to have enough crunchy parts. Y'all know I need my crunchy parts, okay? But this is, yeah, this is what we got so far. Looks good. What you think?